So in order to make this sequence geometric, it means that there must be an R, a common ratio, where I multiplied x by something to get 8, and I multiplied the same thing by 8 to get 4x. And so in general, the common ratio is one term divided by the previous term. So that's how you would write that. So in other words, R should equal 8 divided by x, and R should equal 4x divided by 8. It should be the same. So if I set them equal to each other and I cross multiply, we get 8 times 8 is 64, and 4x times x is 4x squared. Then I can divide both sides by 4. I get 16 equals x squared, and when I take the square root of both sides, I get x equals 4, or x equals negative 4. And if I plug those into the original sequence here, we get, let's start with 4. I could have 4, 8, 4 times 4 is 16. This would make a common ratio of 2. If I plug in negative 4, I get negative 4, 8, and negative 16, which would make the common ratio negative 2, and it still works.